Assalamu alaikum, my name is Alisha Zaid Abbas. I am currently enrolled in University of Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The sole reason of making my own YouTube channel is to revive my own knowledge and to help newcomers of the field English language and literature. In this lecture, I am going to tell you about introduction of linguistics, and I have divided my lecture into two videos. That is, in the very first video, in which I'm going to tell you about what is linguistics, what is language, why linguistics is scientific study, and in the next video, I'm going to tell you the comparison between animals and human language. So let's start the video. What is linguistics? When I say that what is linguistics, linguistics basically it is the scientific study of language in which we deal with the structure of language. When I say structure of language, it means that the linguists study the language in such a way that they see that how language is formed, how sounds are produced, how sounds collaborate with each other to make words, and how words collaborate with each other to make sentences, and so on. Moreover, we also see that how words are related to the meanings, and we also see that how language is used in a different context. For example, if there is a sentence, it is used in a context, it will give a meaning, but when you use that word in another context, it will be giving another meaning. So we also see that how language changes with respect to time. You know that in English language there are so many words which were present in the past, but now they are totally diminished in English language. When I say that linguistics is the scientific study of language, what do you mean by language? Language, when I talk about human language, I say that language is actually, it is the grammar and certain rules and norms that help, that collaborate with each other, and they allow human beings to, form sense. And with the help of all those grammar rules and norms, they make certain utterances which help them, or which help the audience to understand what they are trying to say. Simply, language helps to communicate, in the society, and it is language that makes us human. you know it is the quality of human. Language is species specific, and that species is human being, definitely. Animals don't have language, birds don't have language, beasts don't have language. It is only human being that has language. When I say that scientific study of language, how can you say that language is scientific, sorry, linguistics is scientific study? Basically, you know that when I talk about scientists, they do their research by following a scientific method. They go step by step in carrying out their research. Similarly, when linguists study the language, they study language on different levels. If there is a particular language, they study it on different levels. I will tell you about all these 11 in upcoming videos. I will just generally discuss about this level. That linguists, once study language, they carry out that study step by step. For example, they see that how sounds are made, how different sounds collaborate with each other to form words, and how words are used to, how words are formed, what different methods, by how, by how many methods you can form words. You also see that how those words give you the sense, and so on. So simply, linguistic is scientific study in such a way that linguists study language on certain different levels. Okay, that's all for today's video. Stay safe, stay home. I'll discuss rest of the things in the next video. See you soon.